99% of people who use teleprompters sound artificial because you are reading something and the audience realizes it. In my opinion, the best tool you can use is paper and pen. Hello, my friend! Stage resources for your presentation, for your lecture. Right now, we have technology around us, everywhere. And we can use these tools to help us communicate better. For your lecture, you can use monitors, screens to support your ideas. You can use slides, and we have studied them. You can use your smartphone, a tablet. You can use a teleprompter, and I do not recommend you to use this technology. Barack Obama, an American president, has used this tool a lot, but he's the master of teleprompter because he writes his speeches and he has the ability to read them looking at those glasses. From the audience, we just see glasses, but he reads his speeches there naturally. This is not common. 99% of people who use teleprompters sound artificial because you are reading something and the audience realizes it. In my opinion, the best tool you can use is paper and pen, and you write notes and put them inside your pocket. If you need to check them, you just check them. Chris Anderson says, if you have prepared your lecture well, you won't need a lot of resources to help you remember what you have to say. Just keep a small list of topics to get it with your hand. Go on the stage and do a direct presentation from a human being to human beings. Nothing in the middle, only you and your audience. In many aspects, this is the golden standard. It will give you the best opportunity to build a strong connection based on the vulnerability that you transmit. Comment here. What is a technological tool that you consider useful for your presentation? Comment here. I want to read your comment. Thank you very much. I am Felipe Gibi. See you next class. 3 tips to speak well. 3 secrets to speak well.